Morning everybody. So, I've got no idea what day it is. All I know is that we go home on Tuesday, which is the 6th. Rocky's in good form this morning. The Filipino alarm clock guys. They don't need alarm clocks in the Philippines. About 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, the roosters start crowing. And Rocky, brother Ronnie's rooster, is particularly good at crowing. I don't understand, guys, how the rooster knows it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Does a rooster wear a watch? Don't think so. What we got here this morning? These are the security guards for the barangay, the dogs. They always let people know when there's strangers around. I'm looking up the road now. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs. Weather, well, could rain today, could be sunny, I don't know. This is C's mum's e-bike. Nana, she's still not had a ride on it yet. We need to teach her today how to use it. Pretty straightforward. Twist the throttle to go, pull the brakes to stop. That's Nana's mother's. Yes, morning Rocky, I can hear you. Right, let's get this thing fired up. We took this out yesterday to the viewpoints and it did really well, even going up mountain roads with 114 kilos of fat English foreigner and Mrs. C sat on the back. It did really well. It went up the mountain roads quite well, to be honest. Right, so traditional things like Filipino alarm clocks, Rocky the rooster. I'm going to go out now and get something else traditional. It's called pandesal. It's like a small bread cake. Put cheese in it and just warm it up. And it's traditional to have that on a morning with your coffee. So I'm just going to jump on the bike and ride to Laoag, which is literally 5 minutes away. It's the nearest biggish sort of town. And we're just going to buy some, guys. Got money. What cigarette? Check. Let's go.
May ilog na tahimik, dumadalo sa gabi.
I really love this simple life in the Philippines. I'm going to miss it so much when we get back to England. Really going to miss it. You know, when I first came here, obviously I'd married Ascension, and we used to talk to Mum on the phone, and we'd talk to some of the family on Messenger, but it seemed really detached. But coming here for Christmas, the first time for me, I'll be honest, I was nervous. And then I met everybody. Well, you know what, guys? I am blessed. I have the best family. The Marzan family, the Bagamaspads. I've got the best. My brothers, love them so much. Junior, best little brother you could hope for. Yeah, Ronnie. Ronnie's Ronnie, he does his thing. I've not met Gilbert yet. Gilbert, he wasn't here this Christmas. But then I've got my brother-in-laws, Morris, he's a good man. Alan, you saw on the videos yesterday when we went out to the viewpoints. Very clever guy, engineer. My sisters, well, what can you say about my sisters? Really sweet, really good people. As I said, guys, really blessed. I'm blessed to have such a good family. Nane, she's the sweetest woman. And my aunties, uncles, from both sides of the Marzan and the Bagamaspan family. Again, really good people. The family here is amazing, absolutely amazing. Ugh. Bit chilly this morning. I'm starting to feel the cold now. I'm getting used to this Filipino heat. So when they say it's cold, it's normally quite warm for me. Well, today I'm feeling cold. Just coming up into Laoag. San Jose Norte, where we live, it's literally just a straight road past the rice fields into the little barangay village. This is the main town. This is where I'm going to find the Panda Cell shop. Hopefully it's open. It's open. New Rojas Bakery. Let's get some Panda Cell, guys. A little bit disappointing. I got here and they've run out of gas. There's no gas, so the Panda Cell's it's going to be cold. Doesn't matter if it's fresh. This is a great little shop. This is really good. Everything's really fresh here. But again, this is town life. Some really nice food. Right, this is the Panda Cell, guys. This is a very nice young lady that serves us Panda Cell. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, man. Thank you. Salamat, salamat. Right, let's get this home to Nane and the family. We have the Panda Cell, guys. We have it. Mission accomplished. These top boxes are coming in handy. Get everything in there. Okay, let's get going, guys. Bit quiet this morning. They even make food vending stalls out of tricycles here. Oh, back out of Laoag towards San Jose Norte 1. You can see the mountains there in the background. We saw them really close up yesterday. Everybody's just waking up here.
Sa likod ng bawat gulong ng pabrika, may taong pawis ang bintana.
It's cool that you can still wear no helmets. I mean, it's totally unsafe. But it's quite nice that you don't have to wear an helmet at some point, especially when it's warm. I need to get a proper camera mount for this this camera as well, because it's shaking around quite a lot. So sorry about the video, guys.
Naka-aircon sa taas, kami nagkakalakas sa ilalim ng araw. Sila'y nakakotse, kami nakatsinelas, pero pareho lang ang loob sa ilalim ng paa. Kami ang kalawang sa makina na tinatagod pinapalitan sa pinasisira. Pero kung wala kami, titigil ang galaw ng syudad mong akala'y protekto ang takbo. Di mo man kami magiting sa
Quite cool this morning.
Kami ang dahilan.
Feels very fresh. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm certainly not going to go home as suntanned as I thought I might. Because it's winter time here in December. It's actually the cold season. Okay, coming back into the barangay village now, guys. San Jose Norte.
Yung ginamit namin ay may tinig gustong mawalan. Hindi kami piyesa, kami tao. At darating ang araw na kami ang magdidisenyo ng makina.
This is where we turn right onto the bumpy road. At one time all this road was bumpy, there was no concrete. The whole road was like this. Mr. and Mrs. Chicken. Morning Rooster. Joey! Just passing Joey's house. He's a family friend. Really nice guy. Bloody good welder. He's going to weld a structure over Dad's grave and make like a house for the roof and columns to keep the weather off. So Joey's going to do that for us soon. They'll maybe start that in February. He's a very good welder, is Joey. He actually welded the gate that you see behind me as well. He made that. Right, let's deliver this panda cell. Lovely and quiet this morning. I think Rocky's stopped crowing now as well. He does like to crow, Rocky. Keep the ladies happy. I know, I spoke too soon. Rocky's still in good voice. Oh, looks like Mrs. C. What's Mrs. C doing this time in the morning? Oh, she's washing clothes. She'll be glad to get home to that that washing machine. It is the province life. We don't, we're skint, babe. Morning, Auntie. Got pandesal. Come find Nanay. There's Nanay. Morning, Nanay. I brought some pandesal. Okay. Quite a few in there, actually. 200 pesos. It's not warm, but it's fresh. I'll have some more of these with my coffee. I'll come and get them. I'm going to check on my YouTube video from yesterday. Robin's life. Gosh. This is where I've set up office since I've been here. Thank you. I've got my laptop set up here. This is my base of operations. Now I've got coffee and pandesal while I'm waiting for this video to upload. So that's the morning routine, guys, in the Philippines. Get woken up by Rocky the rooster, 5 o'clock in the morning. Take a ride out, get some fresh pandesal, drink coffee. I'll do another video later. This was just a short one. So, bye for now, guys. Have a great day.
Sabihin kung paano